All right. I know you might be thinking, oh look, he got a new solar panel. He's just gonna put it on the roof again. And that's where you're wrong. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the roof again. But you might also be wondering, wait, didn't you already put like 6 solar panels up there? How are you gonna put 2 more? I got one here, my couch, or one on my bed. I don't really know yet. I think I have enough room, maybe on the side and maybe in the front. It's gonna be sketchy in the front because that's, I guess, not on the same plane as all the other solar panels. If you get what I'm saying, it's kind of tilted forward to be more aerodynamic. I mean, it's not really, I don't think it really matters that much to aerodynamics. But yeah, I'll try to screw them in, and then hopefully my wires will fit, and hopefully my fuse will hold, because I'm getting a new fuse, a 15 amp inline fuse instead of the current 10 amp one. I believe the 10 amp inline fuse was for when I had 4 solar panels, I guess in series. And now since I'm getting, I guess, I already have 6, 3 I guess parallel. So that's already past the 10 amp inline fuse, I guess, limit. So I should get another fuse, and that's what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm gonna go install these solar panels now. All right, I haven't cut wood in so long, but I'm going to cut the walls for my bathroom, what's it? I guess bathroom, like to cover up my broken window basically. I just need to cut it here. It's a little bit off, like not perfectly straight, but it's gonna be in the bathroom, so it's not like that big of a deal to me, but I'll see if I can straighten it up a little bit. We'll see. God, look at my toilet. It's so holy. But anyways, my plan is to put this kind of like on top of it, like kind of like so, except I probably will have the black part maybe like this. It kind of fits on there, that's fine. And then the black part will go on top somehow. It's kind of like attached due to the little funnel thing there, but that's okay. But yeah, I think that this is gonna be like my makeshift composting toilet instead of buying a $1,000 Nature Head toilet. That's kind of ridiculous. I bought a little computer fan. It's in the mail, so I'm gonna, like, I guess, funnel out all the bad gas and moisture, so it doesn't smell as much, and I'll have sawdust as well, so it doesn't smell as much. And it should be pretty useful on the road, hopefully. It's been a while since I've recorded a video for my bus, but I got new glasses. Whee! See, they're bigger and I can see better in them. Well, maybe they're actually the same prescription, so I can't really see better, but they're cleaner, so I can see clearer. If that makes any sense. But I'm going to try to install some shelving for eventual cabinets up here, so I can put all my clothes. Look at all these clothes. And, okay, I moved a lot of stuff into my bus since the last video. I still haven't actually moved in fully. In fact, I've only slept in this bed in my current iteration of my bus build once, and that's because it was really hot, so I decided not to sleep in it again until it's fully complete. And maybe I can run like a small air conditioning right before I go to sleep, because I probably can do that with my 2 lead batteries until I get like lithium. But until then, I need some space for my clothes, I realize, because I kind of want to put a desk here. I'm thinking about it, and because this desk, while it does work temporarily, I haven't actually tried it that much, but it's not very, what's the word for it? It's not very comfortable to use for long periods of time, because I don't have armrests, so like I'm putting my arm up here, so that won't really work. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. I'm not gonna move my desk in I'm not gonna put a desk in right now, maybe later. I pretty much cut all my wood out from my toilet, but I haven't installed that either. But I think I'm just going to, I got literally some brackets from Home Depot. They said I need 4 of these. Please, I'm just gonna use 2 because I don't really have much more room to put them. So I'm thinking I put 1 here and 1 here. I guess I could put them on that side as well for like more shelving space, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really like these glasses. But yeah, I'll just like screw these in, and then I'll like screw it into the shelf, I guess. And then I got another one. I'm thinking maybe I can cut that out into like some drawer, or like, was it not drawers, but not drawers. It's not drawers. It is some doors. Doors. They both start with a D. But yeah, I'm thinking like I have a door here, and I open it up and I can put my clothes in there. And then that's really all I need. I probably don't need that much space. So like up here should be good enough. I have a lot of clothes, but like half winter, half summer. So like the winter stuff can go under my bed right now. Or I guess that's not my bed, my couch, and under my bed. And that's where it's pretty much all folded up. You can't really see it, but, and then if I have my desk here, then I'll put my desk under my bed. I'll have like, make some kind of slide out mechanism. I haven't really thought about that yet, but to be built. And I have no idea where I'm gonna put like a heater, my diesel heater. Maybe in my bathroom. Oh, that's probably a bad idea. All right, so I'm making the continuation of my, I guess, cabinet making, my upper cabinet making. So I have, what is this called? I got a shelf. I got 2 of these shelf things. One is currently on the base of my bus. The other one is going to be, I guess this is the other one, I guess, going to be on the front face. So I plan to cut it out so I can have like 3 little, you know, pulley drawer things. Or I guess they're not drawers, they're like, I don't know, I'll put a handle on here and then like a hinge so I can just pull it out. And then maybe I can tie it together so they don't, or maybe not tie it together, but get something like metallic so that they don't like fall out. Or stuff doesn't just fall out of it, which I'm just planning to put clothes or like other stuff in here. And then yeah, I'll cut these boxes out, and yeah, this should be a cool, easy cabinet, hopefully, if everything holds, which probably won't. Look at this beaut. So after cutting these, I realized that this is very flimsy, and by this I mean, oh god, like this can't really hold much. Like this could break pretty easily. But I'm not going to break it, at least not yet. But yeah, I think after I clean these up and put some hinges on here somehow, this should be a good like good little storage thing. Maybe like a handle right here, a handle here. This should be pretty cool. It's either that or I put hinges like this. I don't really like this idea. I like this better. It feels more homely. I don't know. I don't know why.